Let's make flourless banana muffins. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Start by making the banana mixture in a food processor. Remove the peel from your bananas and place in the food processor along with the dates. For this recipe, you will want ripe bananas, but if you do not have ripe bananas, you can also add in a tablespoon of honey at this point. When everything's in your food processor, blend them together until smooth. This step can also be done in a blender if you do not have a food processor. It is now time to assemble our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine all of your flours, protein powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, and salt. When all of your dry ingredients are in the bowl, mix them together. To finish the batter, make a well in the middle of your dry ingredients to add the wet ingredients into. This includes your banana mixture, egg, and almond milk. When all of your ingredients are now in the bowl, mix it all together. When this batter is finished, it will be thick and look similar to that of a cornbread. It is time to assemble our muffins. Spray a muffin tray with non-stick cooking spray. Then fill each of the wells with 1 scoop of muffin mixture. To make your muffins look pretty, slice 1/2 inches of banana and place them on top of each muffin. When your muffins are ready, bake them in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 15 minutes. When your muffins are done, remove them from the oven and let rest for 10 to 15 minutes before removing from the tray. This ensures that they don't fall apart upon removal. And finally, enjoy your muffins.